day trip? So your family? Alright, eat some good food. Alright. Tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
Alright, I know I said that was the end of the vlog, but I gotta get this. All these seasonings that we don't have in Michigan. Look at this. Shudean is in heaven right now.
This is on TikTok. When me buying with my money versus what you say you're gonna buy. Pay for it.
Okay. Oh, these all different pepper sauces?
The box. Yeah.
Jerk wings. Jerk barbecue sauce. Everything. What's going on, guys? I'm showing you this Lasco. It's basically just powdered milk and has so many different flavors, like chocolate, carrot, like strawberry. My favorite is vanilla. That's the plain one, but they also have peanut butter one. I never tried that, but I will try that one day. And they have, yep, my favorite is the vanilla. That's all we grabbed right here. This is my favorite. But if you guys are wondering what it is, Lasco is a company, pharmaceutical company in Jamaica, and I'll just show you the Lasco milk and the ginger tea that Renee loves so much. But thank you guys for watching. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, we are at Tropical Jerk on
Front Street, Long Island.
Uncle Junior.
Is there. What I'm thinking. It's like chicken foot soup.
Yeah.
Well rich.
Really good, guys.
Huh?
Yeah, we gotta get this.
See that?
That's chicken foot. Chicken foot.
Yeah.
Catch the back of the shirt.
Tropical Jerk. In Alvin, New York.
Yeah, New York.
New York.
Uncle Junior, I said. Front Street.
Front
Up
Street.
to the time now, we're about to have 7 locations.
Okay.
This is one of the original. This is the second location that we got.
Okay.
When we started, and
Nice.
now we're about to be up to 7 locations.
That's blessings, man.
Huh?
Blessings. Here's the menu, guys. You can check it
Ooh,
out.
I taste the pepper in this.
Oh, man. When was the last time you had some chicken foot? Long time.
No.
Yeah, that's what I told you. Get something you haven't had in a long time. Look, guys. Yeah, I was ever in New York, come check it out.
Man, look. Yum. I eat yum.
Alright. Let me get another bite.
Yeah.
These are.
Yeah, you
You want
some.
chicken foot? You want chicken foot?
Give you okay.
Alright.
Wait, do I have to eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
I don't know how to eat it.
Just slowly suck it up like candy, like hot candy.
The meat's gonna come right off the bone.
Nah.
You're just gonna get rid of the bones after.
Hey guys, now right here, you think I might not like this, but this is my first time trying chicken foot, and it was actually pretty good. The only thing was it was a lot of bones. It's the little tiny bones that I had to take out of my mouth, but for the most part, it's very flavorful and really good. So you guys ever in New York, try Tropical Jerk on Front Street. Tell them Sean and Shudean sent you. Thank you. Peace.
Anytime you come in, we got everything ready for you. A little bit of Jamaica and New York. You feel me? Long Island. Yeah. We ready. Tropical Jerk all day, man.
They got me eating my chicken foot.
Well, you all the bone out.
You don't got to be individual.
But
I got you.
you can also chew it up, you know. You can also chew it up and the skin will come off.
Oh.
Then you spit it out.
All the bones want that.
Yeah, like that.
Oh.
You taking individual bones out.
I got them all. Okay.
You collect it.
You can chew it now and then put the bones off.
Oh. I don't know how to eat it.
That's what, listen, you're
You're
learning.
learning.
Oh, we gotta tell them, guys. Cash only. They got an ATM right here. Make sure you bring cash.
On this location.
Just like that.
just this location.
No.
All of the other locations.
I got it.
All the other locations take cards.
Okay.
This is the only one that does look at.
Got it. Got it.
We have an app too, Tropical Jerk. You go on the App Store. You can download the app for the other locations.
Okay. Alright. Alright. Cool. And these are specials they have on certain days.
What is oxtail day?
Oxtail Day.
Oh God, oxtail is every day now.
Nice. We are most definitely in New York. So if anyone has any of these problems in their home, call 917-415-5663 if you're in New York. No more roaches, bed bugs, or mice. If you got them in your house, call that number. What's going on YouTube? It is Sean. I am editing this video I'm editing this video you're currently watching, and there's some footage that I do not know what happened to it, but it's not on my phone nor on Shudean's phone. So I just want to say overall we had a great time. We got to see some of Shudean's family. We went to restaurants and roamed the streets and see what New York had to offer. A lot of other things that we didn't record because we were just enjoying our time and stuff like that. Hope you guys understand. But the next vacation we're going, we'll make sure we get some good footage and all that stuff, because it could have been better, but for the most part I just want to say we enjoyed ourselves and can't wait to go back and do it again. Anyway, hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and thank you guys for our day ones for watching and always looking out for our videos. And that's all I have to say. Hope you guys have a good day. Peace.